Hello, I'm Patrick Sweeney. I'm the CEO of AutoRABIT, and as you know, we are the DevSecOps and security platform for enterprises building complex Salesforce deployments. Well, you know our solutions. We have a unified pipeline platform consisting of ARM, which is our automated release management product. We've got CodeScan, we've got Guard, and we've got Vault. Well, today I'm announcing something more, something bigger. We have acquired the company Integral Zone. And Integral Zone is the most advanced DevSecOps platform for MuleSoft lifecycle management and Azure integration services. So this investment significantly expands AutoRABIT's solution set, which I'm very proud of. Why? Well, APIs. APIs are fundamental to the success of most companies, especially those that need to bring data in, bring data out of Salesforce. Ingress, egress of data. Great. Well, the fact is, every bit of critical data, everything that moves in and out of Salesforce does so through an API, right? So with an APIs, that's very significant. With AI, it just moves faster. It moves faster and faster. Yet, all companies need to adhere to governance. They need to adhere to compliance, to quality standards. And by AutoRABIT joining forces with Integral Zone, we intend to be part of your journey for more efficiency, adoption of AI intelligently, and to meet your goals much more quickly. So with that, I'd love to introduce you. Amjad, Mogal, CEO of Integral Zone, our new partner in the development of amazing DevSecOps products.
Thank you, Patrick. It's an honor to be part of AutoRABIT family. And I'm very happy and very excited for what AutoRABIT and Integral Zone are capable of achieving. So Integral Zone has been into the integration space for quite some time. We've had our journey from consulting gigs and having worked with the customers where we realized that what MuleSoft provides out of the box is not sufficient for the customers. So we ended up creating solutions from scratch. And those solutions were not only expensive, but they were time consuming for customers. So we thought there must be some better way of coming up with the productivity tools. So we started our journey with a product called IZ Analyzer, and then over a period of time, increased the number of features and expanded into multiple technologies to the place where we are supporting customers across multiple verticals, multiple countries, multiple geographies. And our tools can support not only the static code scanning capabilities, but also runtime scanning, but also inventory management and deprecation management. We have the API monitoring tools. And added to all of this, we also have introduced the AI capabilities where we help customers to accelerate the development without compromising on the security and governance. So customers can still continue to use their AI LLM-based generation tools, but we plug in our MCP servers so that they can combine the capabilities of the faster development without compromising on the security and the governance. So combined with all these technologies and the possibility of increasing the reach to multiple platforms and multiple technologies makes our combined offerings to customers much more powerful. And we are very much looking forward to how we can shape this into the future and make the offerings to our customers a lot more productive and a lot more cost efficient.
Fantastic. I'm so happy. We've been talking about this acquisition for quite a while. We know that we come from the world of Salesforce DevSecOps, right? And we have quite a few solutions in that area. But on an ongoing basis, we recognize that, like I said, so many of our core customers, so many of the people that we do business with today, they're writing not just, or deploying not just 100 APIs, not just 500, 1,000, 5,000. We have one of our customers that are actually deploying 140,000 APIs at one time.
Right.
In that world, how does IZ fit in?
That's interesting. We have come across this scenario as well. So Integral Zone's suite that covers the entire breadth of governance and security can not only manage the APIs, but it also does the monitoring as well as the SLA compliance pretty seamless. The customers don't have to reinvent the wheel. It can just dynamically tap into the APIs tap into the performance metrics of the APIs and report their performance to the subscribers, to the stakeholders, without having to create any custom solutions, custom development. And that seamless process of managing the API lifecycle is going to be very powerful for the customers.
And in a world where AI is driving so much more speed, we have to get so much more out quickly. How does IZ play in the role of governance of AI?
That's a very great question, Patrick. So what IZ products do is not to interfere with the faster lifecycle of the AI, but plug into the AI development frameworks so that the governance and the best practices compliance is seamless. The customers can still continue to use the LLMs, the cursors and the clouds of the world, and they don't have to use any other user interface. They can just plug in our MCP server, and MCP server goes and creates the agentic frameworks through which it can go scan the code, it can correct the code, and by the time the code is completely baked, you just need to sit and manage the entire agentic chain without you having to write a single piece of code. So that transition from the previous era of automated task management to the entire vibe coding and automated development frameworks, it's going to create a very powerful development productivity gain for our customers.
Fantastic. And we've talked a lot about MuleSoft because MuleSoft is so directly relevant to the Salesforce world.
Right.
But you actually go a little bit beyond.
Absolutely. So the way we created our platform is a technology agnostic. We envision a platform where multitude of integration technologies can come and sit. This is especially important where Salesforce and MuleSoft not work in isolation. They work in the ecosystem of technologies where Salesforce may be interacting with other databases, other ERPs, other messaging systems. And if we focus only on one specific technology, the customers may not be able to achieve the end-to-end governance. So the vision that we are pretty much close to achieving that right now, is to expand this to various other very key integration technologies. We've already done that with Azure integration services, and we have that with WS4.2 and Kubernetes as well. So we want to expand this to multiple key technologies so that our platform can become unified, it become powerful, so that the customers can start using this as a single unified platform without having to go and use any other tool.
It's really fascinating because for us, it helps strengthen our capabilities in the world of Salesforce. But it also starts helping those entities who are using Salesforce to communicate outside to be able to deploy a single tool that works across multiple of their technologies that they've decided to deploy.
So Patrick, I'm very happy for our customers, and I would like to ask you, how would our customers get benefited from this?
I think the customers that you bring to AutoRABIT are going to get quite a bit because we're a little bit of a larger company and we have a worldwide infrastructure. So for example, we have 24/7 technical support so people can get immediate response into the system if there's issues. We have a really extensive research and development department. We have a very extensive worldwide, essentially 24/7 follow the sun QA model. So there's a bunch of things on just the process and the development side. But we also have a lot of very good technology that just will naturally be available to Integral Zone, and you all have quite a bit of technology that we're interested in integrating directly into our solution. So I see this as both an infrastructural advantage where customers can be very confident that the product line is going to continue to grow and evolve and become better. And then just beyond that, just the vision of being able to do more and offer our customers more and be creative and innovative makes me really honestly excited.
And just to add to Patrick, we are creating the seamless experience from our customers' point of view. Nothing substantial is going to change except for better. You are going to get all the innovation that both companies are going to achieve. You will get the same quality of the service and support, and you will also have access to any new products, any combined solutions that we're going to create. You will get access to all of them. And I must also highlight that our entire core team is going to be part of AutoRABIT, so you will not have any difference in the way you interact with Integral Zone team and Integral Zone product support team. Overall, I'm very positive about this alliance, and I'm very much looking forward to what we can achieve together.
Well, thank you, and I'm really excited that you and your entire team have joined our team. And I really believe that, honestly, that together we're going to be able to bring the most amazing DevSecOps tools to you, our customers. And it's now beyond just the realm of, for us, just Salesforce deployments. It really includes this entire new world of API development. So with that, I want to say to you, our customers, we're very happy to bring this out, to be able to show it to you, to be able to hopefully dialogue with you about how this can help you and your organizations meet your goals faster with greater security and wonderful compliance. So thank you very much.